This is a Swiss Army knife, and it comes with a tweezer like this. This is very useful. You need them for all kinds of small operation, picking things up, changing batteries. But I'm always missing the tweezer. I have another knife missing the tweezer. So you can use your old wiper blade insert to make tweezers. Usually one blade assembly has two of these rods, so you can take them out, the old ones, so you can recycle this. You can, the quick thing to use is as a pick, right? You can pick things. Just use a pair of electrician pliers and suspend it. Now you have a pick. And it's easy to make a tweezer. So this is one I made. This is another one. This has a blunt tip. This one side of it is tapered. Basically, you can fold this in half, right? Fold this in half, and you can make another pick or tweezer. You bend it in shape, make it square. Like that. It's just gonna snap off. This side is tapered, you can see it. So I just use a grinder like this. Just remember to wear eye protection when you do this. And be gentle, don't grind off too much. So the taper part, you can put it into really tight places, like a watch. You can change a link, so the pins, you pick them up or whatever. Or some people use this to change batteries, but I don't know why. You know, battery, especially the 3-volt one, when you go like this, you're shorting out the battery. So I don't know why they do that. 3-volt lithium, if you short them out, they can pop. 1.5 volt is okay. So you can make your own custom tweezers, right? This is not the sharpened kind. This is just the plain kind, because sometimes you don't need the sharpened kind. So you can make a set of tweezers, long one, short one, and then yeah, you don't have to worry about losing them anymore. All right, so I hope you will use these wiper blade rods, and instead of throwing them out, you can recycle them. All right, have a nice day.